So I'm going to give you guys my entire free step-by-step plan how Sarah as a nurse is down 65 pounds in 5 months, where Lindsay is down 50 pounds in 5 months not working out. A 1 month before and after down 3 pant sizes. Derek down 65 pounds in 5 months. Nicole down 110 pounds in less than a year. She has PCOS, Hashimoto's, and hypothyroid. We got Tasha down like 84 pounds in like 9 months. It's crazy. They're all doing this though, and I'm gonna give it to you right now. Step by step, exactly what I do, what I've got others doing. So we gotta use the free calorie calculator. It's gonna go off your height, weight, age, and activity level. If you don't work out, click on this one. If you only lift weights 5 days a week, click on this. If you do weights and cardio 2 to 3 days a week, click on that one. If you're up on your feet, you're lifting weights and doing cardio 5 to 7 days a week, click on this one. Up on your feet all day long, working out cardio 6-7 days a week, click on that one. Calculate calories. Boom, gives you your weight loss calories, maintenance calories, weight gain calories. You don't need to do anything else. You don't need to subtract anything. The calorie calculator did it all for you. Don't undereat. If you undereat, break down lean muscle mass, break down the metabolism. Hormones can go out the window. The hair, skin, and nails. You ain't going to build lean muscle mass because you ain't taking in enough nutrients. We got our calorie goal. Perfect. It's not calories in versus calories out. If we only ate cake, soda, pastries, and candy, we would not get the results we want. We wouldn't build lean muscle mass, and our blood sugars would be through the roof. Like I said, we've got people reversing type 2 diabetes. It's because of all the carbs and sugars in the garbage diets. So, download my MyFitnessPal. It's the app I love to track with. Remember, this is everything that I do, what I've got others doing to get that fat off the body, getting those results. Then we need to get a food scale, measure out our food, know how much the portion size is, throw the portion size in to my MyFitnessPal, boom, we're tracking calories. But what do we eat? Because it's not calories in versus calories out. Whole foods, meat, and veggies. It's all I eat. Chicken thighs, chicken breasts, ground beef, ground sausage, bacon, any fish, crab, any meat, you're gonna be fine. For the veggies, I do green beans, broccoli, cauliflower, peas, spinach, and asparagus. Remember, you got to eat to live, not live to eat. We're only eating to fuel our body the nutrients that it needs. Would I cheat every weekend? Absolutely not. Eating garbage is not going to make you get better results, so why eat it? Drinking, trying to lose weight, you'll get better results if you don't drink. Intermittent fasting's fine, taking in all those calories. You still have a calorie goal with intermittent fasting, so don't be starving yourself. You're not going to get the results that you want. And I get it. I got so much hate on here on TikTok from all the trainers and nutritionists and everything like that, because they charge you guys. They want the people who are trying to lose weight to come to them, sign up for their online program, $200 to $500 a month. I do it for free. Think about it. Why do I have so much hate? That is why. Because I'm getting people results and I do it for free. Literally, this plan right here, you'll get results. Just keep it simple.